The 9th International MEIDAM Congress ended on a high note. A big thank you to all of you who attended MEIDAM over the past 3 days. We have over 320 international speakers. We have a total of 490 scientific lectures and workshops. We have hosted the American Academy of Dermatology, the International League of Dermatological Societies, the European Academy of Dermatology and Venereology, the Royal College of Physicians, and the International Society of Dermatology. We had 8 scientific tracks running at the same time. And of course, the highlight of every year is the MEIDAM Association General Assembly meeting, which this year was the biggest ever, with top-level executives and leadership from over 40 international dermatological societies, including WHO and UNHCR. And we have to highlight that this year, we held the first ever regulators meeting, bringing together top executives from different health regulatory bodies from the Gulf countries, discussing how they can collaboratively make an impact. And for the first time, MEIDAM hosts a treasurers meeting with treasurers from MEIDAM, ISD, EADB, SSDDS, ILDS, Bahrain Dermatology Society, where all treasurers shared numbers from their respective domains and discussed ways of working together. We're announcing MEIDAM Africa to be held in Morocco from the 2nd to the 3rd of May 2025. Looking forward to the 10th anniversary of MEIDAM. Save the dates from the 25th to the 27th of September 2025. See you there.